Hello, I'm Mel Beach, and I'm so glad you're watching this video so you can learn more about the quilting lectures and workshops I have to offer for your guild or group. So let's take a closer look. I am honored to be an award-winning artist and writer. I've had my artwork juried into numerous exhibitions and quilt shows, and they've earned awards and honors along the way. I've also been a featured artist on the Quilt Show with Alex Anderson and Ricky Timms, as well as Quilting Arts TV. I've had multiple published articles, especially with Quilting Arts Magazine, Curated Quilts, and the Craft Industry Alliance. And I'm really truly delighted to have my artwork published in books and magazines and to be a guest on several quilting podcasts. So welcome to my studio, which also serves as my virtual classroom. I am based out of San Jose, California, but I'm still focused on live online lectures and workshops, and that includes hybrid meetings. I am certified through the Academy of Virtual Teaching, which means I've demonstrated how easy it is to hire me. I've demonstrated a technical proficiency when it comes to teaching and lecturing via Zoom, and I really create engaging experiences for the participants. I also love that Zoom provides more flexible scheduling options. We can certainly schedule my workshops into one session of 6 hours, but it really works well to break it into smaller chunks of 2 sessions where we have more time for the participants to kind of digest the information, practice, and ask questions, and they really love it that way. And if your guilds or group is looking to bring me into a hybrid meeting, I just ask that we coordinate a week in advance. This way I can make sure I adapt my content to really create a positive viewing for all audience members and to provide engagement opportunities as well. I'm really excited to offer new lectures this year. Uh, that includes block printed and stitched, where I share my love of block printing layered with stitching, as well as bring on the bling. It's all about adding sparkle and shine into your fiber art. All of my lectures now include a downloadable resource guide that attendees can sign up to receive via email. Easy peasy. I also have a new workshop called Exploring Evelyn in Your Fiber Art. If you've never heard of Evelyn, it's a super soft yet non-woven fiber that we put through the paces. We do faux dyeing, sun printing, stamping, all kinds of stuff, stitching. And here's just a few of the samples that come out of that workshop. If your guild is kind of feeling zoomed out, I do have a few shorter mini workshops that are 2 or 3 hours in duration, and that includes block print and play, where we go through all the steps to design, carve, and print your own original stamps, as well as mark making magic, where everybody produces their own fabrics. I love using dice as part of my creative and design process, and so I have several programs that relate to dice, and that includes my 2-hour Design by Dice mini workshop. In the top right, a new lecture, Let's Get Rolling on Your Quilting and Creativity Goals, where I talk about how dice can be a tool for those goals, as well as fun and games in quilting. I also really enjoy teaching free motion quilting, especially via Zoom, because it's a more relaxed setting where everybody's working on their primary machines, and that makes it flexible for all skill levels and less intimidating. Long armers and mid arm quilters, they get to join the fun without having to worry about schlepping those big mamma jamma machines. And those workshops pair really beautifully with my free motion creativity and reality lecture. It's kind of a fun twist on free motion quilting tips and tricks through the lens of reality TV programs. If your guild's looking for modern improv design, I have several workshops of different skill levels and design aesthetics to offer. And my popular Intriguing Interleaves class, where there are very, very few UFOs because we use quilt as you go. So they construct the quilt at the same time as they're doing the quilting, which is really awesome. And my lecture, Challenge Yourself lecture, really talks about my adventures in quilt challenges. And I hope to inspire your guild, your group to participate in more quilt challenges. I'm also an experienced quilt judge. I've been doing this for 7+ years for a variety of venues, especially here in California. And my goal is to work with the quilt show organizers and the judging team to really create a judging experience that is professional, compassionate, objective, and educational. So if you want to learn more about me, visit melbeachquilts.com. There you can find all my information related to lectures and workshops, the full menu, as well as pricing. You can see my schedule and availability, as well as use the contact Me form to reach out and we can schedule and coordinate dates. If you want more quilting fun and inspiration, I invite you to sign up for my monthly newsletter. It is packed with great information and inspiration. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and my blog. Thank you so much. I hope our quilting paths cross soon.